Hi everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. So you people might be thinking that why I'm not updating any videos, and why I'm not taking any lecture. So now you can see that I'm having a hand injury. So that's why I'm not able to teach currently. So when it will get cured, I will update and I will start teaching. Anything, whatever I will start, I will give you the update. Okay. So I thought that it should be my responsibility to let you people know that because of my hand injury, I'm not able to teach. Okay, so it's happened on third. It's happened on 1st of February only. So I just get fallen on the uh, that glass. Okay, so that happened. So stitch happened. So it will get the doctor told that they will take out this stick. Okay, they will cut this stick on 14th of February. So after that, some exercise, that hand exercise they will give. So it will take some time to get cured. Okay, so I thought that since it will take at least 2 weeks, so I will see the conditions. If it will be fine, will get cured fast, then we will start the sessions. Okay, so till that I will not able to teach anything. Okay, so we will get in touch. This if you are having any doubt, if you are facing any difficulties, you want to know anything. So for any Gate 2021 and Gate 2022, you can comment on the comment section. We will get back to you. Okay, and for last minute tips, those who are going to give Gate exam for Gate 2021. Okay, so don't get too much tension. Now it's a time that all students get tensed. Okay, so every student get tense at that time. So don't get so much hyper, so much tense, no, so much stress. No need to take. So you just prepare. It's really very difficult to focus at that time because many students get stressed out. They think that now I will not able to do. I will give up. So give up is going to come. Okay. So many students are going to face the difficulties at that time. So but just have patience. You have done very well. You have prepared well. Okay. So just 6 days remaining. Today is 6th. Okay. Around 13th, Computer Science and IT is going to have their GATE exam. And all the best to all of you. You have prepared very well. You have worked hard. Okay. And that whatever you have given the input, you will definitely going to get the outcome of that. Okay. So don't lose your hope. And some tips that I am going to give you, if you are having a session on forenoon, means at the morning time, then have a habit of waking up at the morning, okay, so that you don't feel sleepy at that time. And if you are having a session on afternoon session, so many students have the habit to take a sleep or nap at the afternoon. So please stop that. Don't sleep at afternoon. Whatever slot you are having, if it is in the morning session, at that time don't sleep, and if it is afternoon session, then don't sleep at that time. The timing means if it is 9 to 12 or 2 to 5, whatever timing it is there, you can see in the admit card. At that time, you try to give a test series or you try to study 3 hours, okay, without any disturbance. Either you study 3 hours at that time or you give a test series. If you are giving a test series, you give a test series, 3 hour test series, mock test. Okay, so it will help you to sit 3 hours and it will be very familiar. You will not face the difficulty because many students face difficulties to sit at least 3 hours because now you are not having a physical classes, you are not having a habit of sitting. And you people better know that how online classes are going on. You people are in the conditions which we can't imagine. Okay, so that's the thing. So for that, you should prepare a habit and some food habit you should change. You should not eat sugar at that time. So stop eating sugar. Sugar is not good for health even, and for study also it's not good. Okay, and try to have good healthy food. Okay, don't take junk food. Okay, stop taking junk food. Only healthy food you start taking, and if you are facing stress, then you just do running of at least 20 minutes. Okay, quick running so that it will help you to increase your breath. Okay, so if you'll see the athletes when they are running, there you can see their inhale and exhale. Okay, the air going and out. So that will make you calm. Okay, that will make you calm. So if you do exercise or yoga, it will make you calm. Okay, So, and other way, if you are feeling more anxiety, you start taking more water. Start taking more water, it will help you. And even more, if you take more water, it will help you to increase your brain. And take healthy foods. Okay, like almond, you take at least 4 or 5 almond. Okay, because this will help to increase your memory power. Okay, I know that in 6 days if you will take, it will not affect that much, but still, if you are facing stress, don't eat any junk food. Only eat healthy food. Don't eat sugar. Do exercise at least 20 minutes and drink water. It more water. It will help you to decrease the anxiety. Okay, have patience. You have worked hard, and if you are thinking that in 6 days what I will able to do, see, don't think in that way. If let's assume that you are going to get, if you not study the 6 days, you are going, let's assume you are going to get X. Now if you work little bit more, you are definitely going to get more than X, at least X plus 5. So whatever you will get, it will improve your mark. You will improve your marks. So that is going to help. Okay, I know that many students know that, sir, if you will not get above 60, it is not going to help for that. But will give you a confidence. Will give you a confidence that you are, and even if you're not getting a good score, if you're not getting above 60, it's okay. If you're getting good score also, you are having a many advantage also. You can show in your placement, okay, in your PA, in your service based companies that you have qualified gate, you are having a gate score. So that is going to helpful. Okay, it's going to boost your resume, your confidence, and you know that all are the core subjects. So the recruitment team will see that you are having a good command on your core subjects. So GATE is your online that is going to get everyone recommend that exam, means consider that exam. Okay, so it will definitely give you the benefits. So don't lose your hope. Just study till last time. You should fight till the last, till the end. So I have heard the interviews of many toppers and even some of the faculty that say that don't study last 2 days, it's done. But I will not recommend that thing. You study. I have seen, I have even studied last days. Even my friends studied, even some of my friends, those who are in IITs, those are in good productive companies, they also qualified GATE. They have studied till their last. Even we used to go buy a car. At car also we used to study. It's up to it's everyone is having their own tendency. If you're not having a tendency to learn at the last end of the time, then you don't study. But someone is having that they keep on studying till the end. Yeah, then you keep your habit that only. So don't listen to the others. Everyone is having their own strategy, own plan. Okay. So don't lose your hope. Just prepare. You are having, just make full. If your brain is saying that you will not able to get good marks, just make them full. Make your brain full that it's 6 days only. I will study for 6 days. Later we will do whatever we want to do. Just like one of my student that Rathore, its name is Rathore. He was saying that after 6 days, after GATE exam, he will watch all the web series. Yeah, you can watch because now it's only 6 days. You can prepare for 6 days. After that, you can do whatever you can go for some trip. You can watch. So you can make your brain full. Okay, you can make the brain full that yeah, just 6 days I have to study, and after that we will enjoy. Okay, so just like you can say that's just a plan of 6 days. So in that 6 days you can revise, revise, and revise. No need to learn new subject. If you have completed everything, if you think that I can study, then yes, you can study then. It's up to you. If you will feel I can do, so if you think that I can do, then you can do. Okay, so try to have a good habit and don't sleep at the times. I am emphasizing on that. Don't sleep on the timing of the exam. Otherwise, you will feel sleepy, and try to make a habit of sitting of 3 hours and the same time. Try to have the sitting of 3 hours at that same time. If you are having forenoon, afternoon. Okay. So if anyone having any doubt, any difficulties, if you are facing, you can comment below the video, and in the description Telegram channel we are having, you can join there. So whatever update we will have, we will share there. Okay. And if you like our content, if you like the way I teach, if you want to support us, then please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and share with your friends also, so that they can take the advantage of free live classes, free classes, even recorded classes that I have taught. Okay. Thank you everyone.